Hey y'all, welcome to Freeline Body Care, and we're out in the garden today. We're in the middle of a heat wave for Vancouver. I mean, you know, I think the high is 41 degrees Celsius today, so we're melting. But it's also a good day to make some pesto, right? Okay, so here we are in the garden. And the radishes are coming up really nice. So look how lovely those greens are. So I had harvested some of them and I thought, surely there's something I can do with those greens. And indeed there is. Over here, there's my I cast a big shadow. Here we have different types of basil. So there's some Italian basil, there is some Indian basil, and some Thai basil. So today, ended up using the Indian basil with, ta-da, the radish greens. So let me show you what it did. To make this amazing pesto, you're going to need 2 cups of basil leaves. Now, I chose the Indian basil because I really like its pungent flavor, and I thought it would go really well with the peppery taste in the radish greens. 2 cups of radish greens. 4 cloves of garlic. Now, I'm a garlic nut, so 4 cloves is good for me. If you'd like less, just put in less. The juice of a whole lemon, which will be around 4 tablespoons. It gives it a really lovely, zingy, lemony taste, which is awesome for summer eating. 1/2 to 2/3 of a cup of oil. Traditionally, it's olive oil that's used, but I've used sunflower oil in this recipe because I wanted a lighter pesto. 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds. You can use pine nuts, which is the traditional variation, or sunflower seeds, walnuts. A teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. Throw it all in the blender and let her rip. Once you've got it all down to a nice fine paste, bottle it, label it, and freeze it. Et voila, here is our dinner for on this hot night. It's a pasta salad using our basil and radish leaf pesto tossed with fresh vegetables. So enjoy your basil leaf and radish green pesto. Just toss it through some cooked pasta, al dente of course. You know, throw in some fresh vegetables. You don't need to cook those. So, you know, some grape tomatoes, some cut up peppers, things that are sort of fresh and juicy and cool to the taste, which is really what you need when it's, I don't know, 41 degrees out. So if you like this video, click that like button. If you want to subscribe, please go ahead and do that. I would much appreciate it. And if you like this video, please share it. And I'm gonna encourage you to go over to our website, sign up for our newsletter. We basically, it's offers, baby. Every time a newsletter goes out, we have a special offer on our body care products. So yeah, stay well, stay healthy, be natural, and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.